Well, okay guys, we're gonna just got our filters, so I'm gonna open the packet. It's gonna be very exciting to find out these new filters for the Bobber Black. So let's get into the pack. Just hoping that it's the right ones as usual. Oh, piece of paper. Yeah, that's from. We're supposed to replace the. No, not supposed to. They are going to replace the standard Bobber Black filters actually, but I think it goes on all the air-cooled twins, Triumph twins. So these are, here we go, look at this. Try to do it with one hand. There you go, that's high performance. Well, high performance we shall see. Lifetime guarantee. Well, what's a lifetime guarantee? I don't know. I think these are the ones you can actually wash. You get left and right. There you go. Left and right. Anything else in there? Oh, stickers! We do love some stickers, don't we? We love stickers. Actually, we don't really like stickers. Actually, those little ones are quite nice. And another guy's video that you have a left and a right. And I think, if I remember, this one, which is the left one, has this, though it says right, left and right. That's the main thing. You need that bracket. But for now, on with fitting them on the bike. As to whether it's going to make any difference, I don't know. They say it should. I've looked up in the internet, well, you know, usual thing you do. So whether these filters make a little bit difference, I hope it will. But then again, not that bothered. Need to change the old ones anyway. Since, so let's get ahead and start giving it. By the way, I'm not sponsored by this DNA people or anybody else, for that matter. Or my thing is not monetarized, so I'm just doing it for me and passing on something. So let's have a go. All right, ciao. See you in a minute. You guys, but I actually hate taking this thing off. It's really, really. Yeah, exactly. And all those often comes out. That's there. So we got that screw, and actually that, just that bit there. That's the filter. So we just got to take that out. So we're going to use, I think, number 15. Let's choose 15. Yep. Right. So there we go. That's it. So we'll look at the two together. Left one. There you go. So we're going to put the left one in. Have a look at the. A little bit grubby. A little bit. Some sort of Velcro-y stuff. So it's. That's the whole unit. Right. There. That's that. Let's have a look at the two together. it out of the way. So that, there you go. Standard. That's a standard one. There's a bit of DNA. Oh, you can actually see the difference. And this is supposedly, you can just wash this. Yeah, I don't know, you can see. Yeah, you can't see through. Not that I'm saying that's particularly. Whether there's a right way or wrong way. No. Difference. So, I don't know if you can see, but there's a slight angle. Yeah, there is. So, put it that way. See? So, you can't actually get it wrong because it just won't fit in the other way. So we know that's perfect. So there we go. That's straight in there. And we have the thing that says and left. And there's a little sort of lug thing here that fits, so you know you can get that round the right way. Back on. Bear in mind, you know, these are two little things you've got to put that over there. And then sort of, that's it. Yes. Yeah, okay. Done. Well, there you go. One side done. One screw. And the other screw. So, yeah, just whip it out. There you go. Ah, you see, look, that's the little bit of strange metally thing. That's why you'll see the other one's different. Okay, right, I'm just going to get the other one. Down the garage we go. There you go. So, let's see, and then we. There you go. Same again. Yep, same thing as before. It can only go in one way. Again, there's that little nodule thing which fits there, so you know it's this one, and that goes in there, and the other one goes in there. Okay, that's why that is. So that little thing there just keeps that in. Otherwise, it just, as you saw, falls down. It's quite a nice little sort of touch. Yeah. Finger tight. That won't come undone. Let's put the cover back on. Oh, nice and secure, he says. So we'll give it a go. I'm not going to make any difference. I'm going to turn it on just to see. For whatever reason, You're not going to see anything of the sounding, but maybe there might be just a fraction. So let's say give it a go anyway. We'll turn it on. That's it. DNA built in. I'll come back to you with what's it like on the road. I suspect nothing, but thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see some more videos that I do. I don't get any untried things or sponsored, so it's just purely for my own enjoyment to make little funny little videos or short videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys.